Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about India's mission on quantum technology. But before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Now, coming to the topic, we will be talking about India's mission on quantum technology. As you all know, quantum technology is an emerging field of science and research nowadays worldwide. So, India also wants to be a part of this new emerging research or a new emerging topic, which is quantum theory or quantum technology, which is based on the quantum theory. So, to be a part of this technology or to be a part of this research scheme, India has taken some steps. So, what are the steps? In the Union Budget 2020, our finance minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, said that we are going to spend rupees 8,000 crore on National Mission on Quantum Technologies. By spending this much amount of money, we we are going to promote, we are going to enhance, and we are going to support the researchers and to provide paths to the newcomers who are interested in this quantum technology. By doing this, India will going to be in the field of second quantum revolution with USA, Russia, China, and other major countries. Right? So now the question arises, what if quantum technology, or specifically, I would say, what is quantum computing? In the second revolution, or I say in the second quantum revolution uses quantum properties of matter, yeah, which is based on the atomic or subatomic levels. That how does the matter behave in atomic or subatomic level? This is called quantum theory. So how does this quantum theory impact our lives? As you know, in the classical computers are very slow as compared to these computers which will be performing on the quantum computing theory, right? So this increases the computing power of the quantum computers. Apart from this, now how does these quantum computer work? Quantum computer store the process information using quantum two level systems, which is called quantum bits or qubits, which is very different from the conventional classical computers or PC that we use today. Conventional computer process information in bits, or we can say in the form of ones and zeros, which is a classical approach. And similarly, it processes the information one or zero at one single time. But in a quantum superposition state, the processors can be one or zero simultaneously. So this enhances the speed of the quantum computers, so you can evaluate and you can analyze the how much speed we can get if we will successfully realize this, right? Second, if we talk about India's current position or India's current state in this field, so we are very new in this field. Literally, we are very new. We haven't done much in the field yet. So it's been only 5 years under this field, or this is very few locations. On very few locations, very few institutes or IITs, especially IITs or I would say IISC, these are doing some very little research on this field. Now, the second major thing is we have lack of resources, because to be the part of this quantum theory or this quantum technology, we have to have good and sufficient resources that we do not have right now. right? Second of all, high quality manpower. We need the person who are very very much interested in this field of research. As because in India what we have, there is a trend of getting a job and having a good salary at the end of a month, that's it. But why this is because we have to encourage the people and the society, especially the young ones, to be the part of a research, to be the part of new emerging technologies the world is mm, going through, and the world is researching on it. Second of all, flexibility. So these are some things that we need to overcome. These are our uh, demerits, so that we need to overcome. Now, as as we see the quantum computing, there are some challenges. So what are these challenges? First of all, this technology gives some disruptive effects, right? Because what is second, challenges for the government. Now why the challenge for the government? Because after this technology, the government data, government files, and the confidential information will be open to all, and this can be misused by this special persons. What I want to say is the hackers. So this is a challenge for the government. Second, if we lose the quantumness, so how will we lose the quantumness? The loss of quantumness if quantum superposition is not controlled properly, right? So the quantumness will not be there. We will lose the quantumness. And the last, challenges in the funds part, because the governments do not have sufficient fund to plan only one thing or to plan this research. So we are uh, lacking in funds if we are talking about the quantum computing. Now, what can we do? What should India do to lead in quantum computing? Right? So, first of all, we we need to encourage the people for funding, especially private funding and philanthropic funding, right? So we need to encourage funding. We need to spread the awareness among people and uh, provide means to get funds. That's why we will invest the fund in infrastructure, in the development, in the manpower. So second, the investment of manpower and to retain them. So how can we invest the manpower? First thing, we have to encourage the young ones to be in the field of research, right? Instead of getting a job and paying good salary at the end of a month, we need to encourage the young ones to be in the field of research. And second challenge is, how can we retain them? To retain them, we have to provide them good incentives, so so that they are very much interested in research, and they can uh, they can use the incentive and in the field wherever they want, right? In their basic things, in their day-to-day lives, in their needs, in their rents, in their transportation, food, meal, etc. So we have to give them sufficient amount of incentives so that they are interested in the research. Second, and the last thing is, we need to participate in the global development, right? We need to challenge the global standards. We need to uh, be with the global standards if we want to have this research. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.